Good morning students. Today we will start with new chapter. Chapter number 5, Ice in the Forest. Ice in the Forest. A very huge block of sparkling ice appeared in the middle of the forest one morning. What happened one morning? A very huge block of sparkling ice appeared in the middle of the forest. The animals looked at it. It was filled with gems. The gems sparkled brightly in the sun rays. Now you have seen gems. There are many types of gems. If you keep that gems under the sun, it will sparkle very brightly. The animals looked at it and it was filled with gems. The ice block which was appeared, it was filled with the gems, and that gems was sparkling brightly in the sun rays. The Lion King announced. There was a lion in the forest. He was the king of the forest. He announced, whoever gets the gems out will become the king after me. What did lion announce? That whoever gets the gems, means who will go in that ice block and bring the gems out, they will become the king after me. See, in the picture you can see a big block of ice. This is ice, and in that ice you can see there are gems, and these gems are sparkling under the sun rays. So here you can see the lion. Lion is telling to these animals that whoever or whichever animal will bring that gems outside, they will become the king of the forest. The animals jumped at the chance. Now what did animals do? They jumped at the chance to dig out the gems. So they started digging out the gem from the ice. Well, everyone except for the whistle. Whistle means a small wild animal with the brown and long thin body and short legs. Now except the whistle, see, this is the whistle. Here is the picture of the whistle. Now everyone means each and every animal started digging the ice except this whistle, who stood by and watched the other animals. He was standing and he was just looking to the other animals, trying to reach the treasure. This is the treasure inside. So he was just observing other animals, what they are doing to remove the treasure. The animals used their different body parts. Now these all animals, they started digging the ice using the body parts, different body parts, the treasure out from the ice block. So they started digging the ice to remove the treasure from the ice block. The elephant said, I have a trunk. Now here you can see the elephant. Elephant said that I have a trunk. I shall break the ice with my trunk. What did elephant use? Elephant used his trunk to dig the ice. The elephant used his trunk to break the ice, but he ended up hurting the gorilla instead. But instead of removing the gems, he ended hurting gorilla. See, here you can see the picture of the gorilla. Instead of removing the treasure, he ended up hurting the gorilla instead. The tiger tried to use his sharp claws. Now here you can see the tiger. Tiger is using his sharp claws to make hole through the ice. Now he is making a hole in the ice, but his claws got stuck in the ice. He cannot remove outside his claws. The troop of monkeys decided to break the block. Now here you can see the monkey. Monkeys, what did they do? They thought that we will break the block. They threw bananas and stones. What did they throw? They threw some bananas and some stones on the ice block. They threw bananas and stones the rate of machine guns. With the rate of machine guns, means with a very high speed, they started throwing the stones and bananas. But they missed the target. But they could not break the ice. They missed the target. Targets means an object that people aim. and instead ended up hurting the other animals. Instead of breaking the ice, it hurted to other animals, so they had to stop. So instead of that, they stopped throwing the bananas and stones. Now what happened in the next, we will see in the next video.